Alright guys, welcome to part 4.
6.
Actually, no, my bad. This is part 5, my bad. The other part was part 4, my bad. Next part is part 6, so this is part 5, my bad. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Hey, you can actually see me in the mirror. Let me try to zoom it. There we go, you can see me. Kind of cool. Anyway. Come on, how long have I been in this truck? It smells weird in here. It smells like a new truck, but this truck was made in 2012. Well, we are almost there. This part will be part 5. The next part will be part 6. Oh, K alert! Chef Noodles, we got K alert! SpongeBob, come up here.
I'm ready. Okay, where's the K alert? Come on.
I don't get over this.
Red, tell me. I know everything about red eye detectors.
All right. Come on, I should.
Not saying K alert. You must have put auto mute off.
No, I put it on a mute on. Sure. Right, SpongeBob, you put it on a mute on. Yeah, I did. I don't know on highway or city.
We're on the highway.
So I put it on highway mode. Anyway, confusion and delay. Radar detector, confusion and delay. Can I just please take a break now from the... Come on, I never record SML videos since 1 year ago, since that first video of Chef Noodles honks the horn. Car. SpongeBob, you put it on highway, okay?
Got it.
Alright. Let me get down. Enjoy part 6.
Alright, let me see.
Alright, once we get on the highway, I gotta put it on highway mode, guys. Alright. Let me see.
Come on, Truckee. Go, Truckee.
Come on, Trent!
Go! Oh, sorry, I'm yelling. I'm SpongeBob.
SpongeBob's voice sounds like that. Uh-oh. Don't worry, it's my email. Alright, Chef Noodles. Alright, let me put this thing on highway. Once we get on this highway. Oh! Again! SpongeBob, turn it off! Oh, it's saying K alert. Great, SpongeBob. Great detecting. It might be that truck right in front of us. Or it might be that white car. Again?
Hello? Hey.
I'm putting it on a highway. Come on. Let's detect some radar. Hey, is it you in the front or is it that truck over there?
Alright, see you guys in part 3. Bye. Ow.